Yeah, so we got spark, just not sparking. The carburetor ain't shit. I'm gonna take it apart. Probably. I might just slap one of my new ones on there that I was gonna use for my tunnel ram because I ain't trying to fuck with it. Quadrilateral will drive me nuts. Health challenge the very basics of what insanity is. Because you might just be doing the same shit, but it won't yield the same result. Anyway, it's tighter than a nun's asshole up in there now because of the from swap, so